This is MGM Grand Tower, floor 18, room 106. Staying at the MGM here till Friday. So this is a room tour. This is a king suite. Let's look at the bathroom here. His and hers. Bathtub. And a shower. A couch, a chair. Guess this is your entertainment stand here. Nice size TV in front of the bed. You got storage on both sides of the bed. Good size room. More storage in here. Walk-in closet. Gotta be aware of waters and snacks in here. See this? If you move it, they'll charge your room. Very expensive. Same way down here in this fridge. Very expensive. It's tempting, but you don't want to touch it because it's very expensive. More storage down here. I guess that's it. Enjoy the video. Thank you.